Hello my loves, my name is Sarah. Welcome to my channel. This is a specific focus healing energy session for people working with breast cancer. I know there's different kinds of breast cancer, so this is a general healing for people working with breast cancer. And even if you're in remission or recovery, you can use this as a support to continue your healing journey. I acknowledge that all healing comes from the divine. This is not a replacement for Western medicine. This is meant to be used as an adjunct and a support, a healing energy support for a positive mindset, a positive outlook, an infusion of goodness to your physical body, your emotional self, your spiritual self, the whole package. So go ahead and take a deep breath in. You can have eyes open, eyes closed, it doesn't matter. And just be open to receive this healing energy for breast cancer. Whatever stage you're in, whatever the medical procedures that you've been having, or the treatment that's been advised. Clearing any fear. And I know a diagnosis brings with it a wave of fear, and then a tidal wave of information. So assisting you to get centered and grounded and clear on the right way forward, working with your doctors. And being in tune with your body for what is right for you, for what alternative modalities to bring in, to endorse, to support the immune system. Just clearing the fear away, clearing the fear away. Just allow any emotions to surface that want to surface when the fear is being cleared. And you can do this a number of times if you feel like it helps clear the fear. Many studies have shown that a positive mindset is a very important part of the healing journey. And if you're feeling that the fear is crowding in, there's a lot of tools you can work with to clear your energy field, to dissipate those fears. Acknowledge them, but dissipate them so that they don't rule you, so that they don't run the show. Yeah? And just connecting your consciousness into all of womankind, specifically all of the women around the world who have experienced the same diagnosis, the same fears. So you know you're not alone, right? You're not taking on their fear, you're joining them in solidarity. You're joining them to gather strength. Yeah? Connecting through the ethers, through the quantum field. Community of women, just like you, linked in consciousness, linked in hearts and minds, to draw strength, to share, support, connect. Just to know you're not alone. Not alone. And once the fear has dissipated and dissolved, just bring your attention to the area in your body. If it's localized, if it's spread, take your focus to where the doctor has shown you. Bring the attention to where it originated, to the site of the cells that have shifted and changed and transformed. I'm going to direct some very specific targeted energy at those cancer cells. Yeah. And if this helps you in any way, if it shifts your mindset, if you feel like it lifts your spirits in any way, you can repeat as often as you need to clear the fear, to bring you into a positive mindset, to feel like that you're being supported on an energetic level, as well as the medical, as well as the physical, all aspects of self being tended, all aspects of self being cared for, nourished. Connected into the wider community of women that are right alongside you, all over the world. And may this be an infusion of strength, an infusion of courage, on your journey, on your healing journey. Lastly, you can place your hand on the site where you first found the lump. And on that site, on the place of origin, where you first notice a change, you're just going to beam love and gratitude for the lessons, for the soul lessons, for the journey, for the experience, all of it, the resistance, the fear, the distress, the anguish, all of that wrapped up in here. Acknowledge it for what it is. Acceptance of what it is. I'm going to give it love. Just going to love it, no matter what it's brought us. You may have thoughts and feelings surface with that guidance, and I invite you to allow it to integrate into your being. Whatever surfaces in your consciousness is ready to be cleared, whether it's thoughts, memories, experiences that have maybe been bound, compacted in your being, just allowing them to surface. Just feeling the presence of the Divine Mother here. Divine Feminine. She's here with us, holding you. Holding your pain, holding your suffering, holding your angst. Acknowledging all that you're going through. Very palpable, beautiful, soft, kind, gentle, nourishing presence of the Divine Mother. And seal this healing with tone. Thank you, my loves. Blessings on your journey. This session was inspired by Travis Brady and my dear sister Liz. Special prayers to both of you.